right, so now we're going to solve a trig equation on a calculator. So if you look at this trig equation here, this is going to be very complicated or impossible to solve without a calculator. You're not going to be able to isolate any trig function or use the unit circle. So we're going to go straight to the calculator. So the first thing is to type it in correctly. So 5 cotangent squared. Always, when you do it in the calculator, always put it in y equals and set it equal to 0. This one's already set equal to 0. So 5 times cotangent squared would be typed as 5 times 1 over tangent, that's cotangent, and that quantity squared. And then minus cosine x minus 1. So that should be good. Now, this one, we're going to have to make sure of two things. Here's what my graph looks like, first of all. So there's a lot of solutions. The two things we have to worry about, first of all, are we're solving on 0 to 2 pi, and we're actually going to use a calculator answer. So first of all, we have to make sure we're in radian mode, because that's what 0 to 2 pi means, and I am. And the next thing is, just to make it convenient for us, zoom trig, because that will automatically make the right half of the x-axis 0 to 2 pi. So here's what the graph looked like at first. Now I'm going to zoom trig. Zoom 7 at, oh, there we go. So it does narrow down the graph for us. And when you look at it closely, there are only four solutions, because pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2, this is 2 pi. So we're looking for this solution, this solution, this solution, and this solution. So we know how to do that by now. I'm going to do that very quickly on the graphing calculator. Let me get rid of all this, bring back my calculator. So I'm going to look for this one first, the one all the way on the left. So second calc 0. It's going to be convenient here to do it with a cursor, because that's on the left, enter. That's right, enter. And my guess is just an enter as 1.073. And then I'm going to just continue doing that. I am going to continue doing it here. The next one is over here. So again, second calc 0. Left bound is right here. Right bound is right here, is good enough. Enter for a guess. 1.919. I forget what it was already. So the next one, 1.919, yes. So the next one is right over here. So second calc 0 again. Now it's going to go out of the screen. Keep cursoring right until you can see it come back down. It'll come back down. There we go. That's to the left. That's to the right. Enter for a guess. 4.364. Obviously, this one was wrong. You probably saw that. It can't be 9. I don't know what I was looking at. I'm going to go back to it. So second calc 0. Let me grab the last one. Left bound. Right bound. Enter for a guess. 5.210. So again, I know 5.210. I know I forgot what that first number should have been, but it's obvious I did it wrong. So pay attention to your answers. That couldn't have been 9 based off my answers. So I'm going to quickly fix that. I'm going to find this one more time. Second calc 0. Now I'm going to do it this way. I know this is, I'm not going to do it without, I'm not going to do it with the cursor, just in case you're interested in that. This we know is pi over 2, which is 3 over 2, so 1.5. And then this is pi, so I'll go 3. So I know I'm between there, and then that's my answer, 1.919. And those are my 4 answers. Pretty simple. And that is it. I'm going to write this a little bit better. Just there we go. So hopefully you enjoyed that video. Whoa. And all my little mistakes. If you're still watching, I'm just cleaning it up. I lost my eraser. I don't know. Just 1, 2, 3, 4. Thanks for watching. Sorry for the bad ending, but they all can't be as great as the others. See you next time.